Hi, my name is Tanya Fowler, Global Director at Frost & Sullivan. It's no secret that our U.S. trucking sector has been hit hard by a poor economy that just keeps on struggling. So why are we going to tell you to spend scarce money on wireless technology? Because mobile fleet management solutions are designed to help you seriously address two cornerstone challenges. The first of these challenges is complying with government regulations in a way that doesn't put you out of business. The second is controlling expenses. Let's talk a little about these two imperatives. If there's one fact of life in the trucking industry, it's regulation. There are the newest CSA 2010 requirements and the ongoing discussion about hours of service. At the state level, there are IFTA mandates. And don't forget to add the anti-idling laws. Compliance is a non-stop conversation between fleet operators, industry associations, and government, with the goals being increased safety, efficiency, and a cleaner environment, and profitability, of course. These are fine objectives, but each additional law applies more administrative burden onto already stressed out transportation firms and their drivers. Data have to be gathered and reported, driver performance has to be monitored more carefully, and more paperwork has to be filed and stored. If these regulations aren't addressed efficiently, they can help run a company into the ground. In addition to compliance requirements, fleet managers worry about their operating margins. In our country's trucking sector, operating margins average at a miserable 1 to 3%. No wonder expense control is so critical to survival, especially when it comes to fuel, labor, and vehicle wear and tear. Right now, diesel is ping-ponging between $4 and $5 a gallon. It's not just the high prices, it's the erratic nature of these price changes. One day, rates soar. The next day, they plummet. How do you plan to that? If you're like most of your peers, not very well. Driver expense is another headache. A new employee can cost between $5,000 and $8,000 to train, and that adds up when driver turnover rates are high. Then there's the vehicle itself. Service and maintenance costs are significant and ongoing. Add in bad driver behavior, and you have even more wear and tear to deal with. So, regulatory compliance and cost control. We know there are more challenges out there, but we think these are the big two when it comes to today's transportation companies. You address these issues, and you'll be in a good position to not just survive, but lead as the current economy gets back to normal. One way to get in front of both of these challenges: implement a mobile fleet management solution.